Hello, it's Pup's Life. You are watching Top 5 Best Dog Food Storage Container. More info on the products, we've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Before we get started, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Number 5. Iris USA Airtight Dog Food Storage Container. Sealed pet food storage bin keeps food fresh and protects from moisture and pests for dog food storage, cat food storage or bird seed storage. Plastic dog food storage containers are BPA-free. Designed with a wide top and secure latch for easy opening, scooping and cleaning. Number 4. Lockcoo Dog Food Storage Container. The dog and cat food container features an airtight seal with 4 seal buckles. The seams use silicone seals. The good sealing design is leak-proof, moisture-proof and dust-proof, which keeps the pet food fresh and dry for a long time. 2 reusable and practical food storage containers is made of food-grade plastic, BPA-free, safe to use. Number 3. Rook Airtight Dog Food Storage Container. BPA-free plastic, non-toxic. Perfect for dog dry food, cat treats, bird seed or even as flour, grains, nuts and rice container. No icky flavors in your pantry. Dog food storage bins have airtight seals to keep out moisture, pests and dust. Keep pet food fresh and dry. Translucency sliding cover design, check the capacity easily. Number 2. EassyHoo Dog Food Storage Container. The dog food storage container is made of high-quality PP and TPR material, which is 100% BPA-free, food-grade and environmental-friendly. The strengthened handle makes the food containers easily transfer everywhere. Adopt to premium sealing mechanism with silicone gasket. You can open or close the pet food containers safely with simple one press. Number 1. City Baby Dog Food Storage Container. The lid of the airtight food container has 6 buckles. The seams use silicone seals. The good sealing design is leak-proof, which keeps the food fresh and dry for a long time. 2 reusable and practical food storage containers can be used in the kitchen and pantry to store soybeans, corn or other cereal. They can also be used to store pet food, such as dogs and cats,